Hello class. If you're watching this video, that means you're right here in the Chapter 19 review, which means it's probably, if you're working on task, your first day back after spring break. So I hope you enjoyed it. I hope I enjoyed it. I don't know yet because it's before spring break when I'm making this video. Uh, Now, we're in an interesting situation where we did all the content before the break, and then we had the break, and now we're coming back. We have a whole day to study, and then we have the test. So today's the study day. I really advise you to utilize the day to study because it's been a long time since we went over the content. Honestly, I always tell you to reread the chapter, like maybe that's a good way to study. You really may want to take the time to just reread the chapter, at the very least skim through it, so that the content is once again fresh in your head. I think once you look back at it again, you'll go, oh yeah, I remember all this now. Once you do that, you can take a look at the study guide, and if you can answer all these questions, you're probably in good shape to do well on the test. As always, we have our forum here, our discussion board as it's called in Canvas where this video is located. And then we have the test itself. The test, oh come on now, don't be like that. We're just spinning. The test today, you have 2 attempts, it's 55 points, a mixture of matching, multiple choice, and there is an essay question on there. So nothing crazy, pretty standard end of the test essay question worth 5 points. And that's it. We'll be moving on to the next chapter, chapter 20, and I can't remember what it's about, but I'm sure it'll be awesome. That intro will be out in a day or two, and we can take a look at what that is. All right, that's it for now. Everyone, have a great day. Make sure you study today so that you can do well on the test tomorrow. Good luck, and let me know if you have any questions.